Welcome back to my YouTube channel Art and Craft Adventures. There are many ideas of hand drawing for you. Drawing a hand can be challenging task, but with practice and patience, anyone can learn to draw hands. Here are some basic steps to follow. Start with the basic shape of the palm and fingers using simple shapes like ovals and rectangles. Add more detail to the finger using including joints and make sure to pay attention to their proportions and angles. Draw the thumb, which is shorter than the other fingers and has a unique shape. Keep practicing using reference from real life hands or images to improve your skills and develop your own style. Remember, drawing hands takes time and practice to master, so don't get discouraged if it doesn't look perfect at first time. Keep it, and with time and effort you will see improvement.